Hey everybody, it's me, Ivy. So, whew, long day. Um, I survive out there. Except our wonderful Walmart decide, oh, we'll open another door. So we have two doors and twice more people. Yeah. Thank God we have sanitizer because that just made me very, very uncomfortable. Anyways, I'm fine. I'm good. Have a haul for you. Haven't done a haul in a hot minute. So let's get started. Okay, random thing, food, dollar store. My mom got me this. So that's that, just for dessert. Anyways, I'll show you what I bought at Walmart. So three things I bought at Walmart is this dress bag. I have my prom dress and the bag with it is disintegrating. So it's not for last longing. So I finally got one. I keep forgetting or I get sidetracked or so I got one. And then because it's getting nice and warm and I'm in my 30s, no, I'm just saying that. I really do want to start taking care of my skin. So I got the Hawaiian Tropical Silk Hydrate lotion. Not lotion. Oh my god. Sunscreen like I used to. When I got it free for that I don't know what it was for something. And then I got like sunscreen and stuff like that. But also with it I got the face one too, the lightweight. So 12 hours. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. So I got that, and also for next year. Yes, I'm weird. But these are really cool. The neon. So it comes with this. We don't put the eggs on this because it doesn't hold the eggs. We put them on a rack to dry. So yeah, this is for next year. So I'm excited about that. And a little treat. Yes, I do these once a day or so, or whenever I feel like I want one. And yeah, don't judge. Still a kid at heart, okay? Um, let's see. Hmm. Let's split this up. Let's do what's in my Birchbox. I've been so sorry I haven't done my Birchbox. I still have time, so let's do my Birchbox. So this is my Birchbox for this month. Very pretty, floral. And this that. This is what I have. So let's get started. Green tissue paper. I love this box. I really, really do. Okay, first thing is this face oil. It's a balancing face oil. Full size is $69. So I have a bunch of oils. Next is a Bumble hair dry dressers invisible oil primer. So this is my first Bumble. That's Sorry, my light is not really good. Um, Full size of this is $28. It's supposed to help with leave-in treatment, defrizz, detangle, and prevents leaving hair or leaving hair hydrated and smooth. Apply and clean hair, damp hair, and style as usual. But that's cool. I always wanted to try their brand, but never had any. Okay, next is IBY. Is actually IBY is inspired by you. This is an eyeshadow in Nightfall. This cute packaging even shows the color and on the back. But I love this packaging though, and it's so cool that it says that what it means. I only got the one sample, but the full size palette is $20. And it's just this little cute packaging. Very pretty. Love it. That'd be cute, like an eyeliner or inner corner. Let's leave it out. That's fine. Alright, next is One Kind. It's a pore refining facial mask. Okay. Full size is 24. Just helps with polish. Helps your skin glow. Detoxify clay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of cool, and it's I think it's not tested on animals. Not sure. And then the eyeshadow is vegan. It's also vegan and cruelty free, so that's nice. Nothing with Bumble, sadly. And then I don't know about the other thing. Anyway, last thing is Stila Cosmetics. Sorry, I'm not trying to shine you. Beauty Boss Lip Gloss. I can't say the name. So this is the name, if you can see that. That's very pretty. There, little shimmer. Here, I'll show you. It's very shimmery. And it has glitter, but it's very fine, but you can feel it. Full size of this is $15. It also plumps your lips. It's very nice. I don't do shimmer glittery stuff, but I can work with that. Okay, and that's all I got in my Birchbox. I hope you guys like it, and also like what I got in my haul. I just wanted to do a whole big video of those two things because I haven't done my Birchbox. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I've been busy cleaning, keeping busy, all that stuff. So I apologize. I'll really do put out more videos for you guys. So, anyways, all right, I'm gonna go. Probably take a nap. I love you guys. Be safe, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow or Monday, whenever I feel like it. Yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more videos. And I'll see you whenever. Bye, guys.